What's going on, y'all? Stoker Racing Repair here, and in today's video we are going to be winterizing my street stock. We're going to get all the water drained out of it. It's been getting close to the 30s at night now, so I'm going to get it all drained out, get all the water out of it, put some coolant in it, and I'm just show you the process of that, and then I'm going to go into detail of my first year of racing the street stock. So let's get into it. Other news, my black truck here, doing ball joints and front brakes on it tomorrow. And then I went and picked up the stock wheels from the owner that had it before me. It's got the same exact tires that are on it now. Only thing different is the rims. So I think I'm going to run these in the winter time so I keep my good ones clean. These ones are actually in really good shape. There's barely any curb rash at all, so these are pretty nice. But let's grab the tripod, and then I'm gonna start filming. So let's get into it. So overall, this car actually stayed pretty clean this year. I think I'm gonna leave this wrap on it because it's still in pretty good shape. But only really damage that I have is that little tire scuff there, which is nothing. Little tire scuff there. This back here, a little bit messed up, not too bad. Little scrape there. I don't think there's any damage at all on this side. There's a little tire scrape. On a restart, a guy like turned into me, so that was fun. And then right here, where the guy went out in front of me, and it kind of crinkled this back, but overall, it's in really good shape still. So we're gonna get the hood off this thing, and we'll start draining the water out of it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this coolant cap off so the water can drain. It's just water in it, so it's fine if it gets on the ground. And then I'm gonna pull this lower hose off here. We'll get that drained. I really need to add another clamp right here so it's double clamped. But I'm gonna pull this bottom one off, get the radiator drained out, and then I'm gonna move over to the block. It's got little petcocks on the side of it, so we'll drain the block out, and then we'll throw some coolant in it for the winter. All right, guys, we got the lower hose popped off. Both petcocks are draining, as you guys can see the water dripping there. So we're gonna let this drain out. Probably stay here about an hour, just try to get all of it out. Then we'll refill it with coolant, and it'll be good. So overall, I feel like I had a really good season this year. First ever time racing on dirt. I've always done drag racing. I enjoyed it a lot. It was so much fun to do. Definitely a new experience compared to drag racing, but overall, I had a lot of fun with it. Rooster, it's the morning, so roosters are going crazy right now. But overall, I had a really good time. But thank you guys for all your support. The chickens are fighting. But overall, I had an amazing year. Thank you guys for all of your support. My sponsors, fans. If you guys support me, thank you so much. It's my first year. Thanks for believing in me and doing this stuff, and I can't ever thank you enough for it. So beginning of the year, I was having a pretty tough time. I really didn't know how to do anything dirt related. I've never really been around dirt racing that much. Like I've watched it, but not like religiously, you know. But I caught on to it probably about second, third race. But with the street stock, it was a lot of fun. I started getting the hang of it and wanted to do better and better every time. And I did get better, so I just want to show you guys some of the clips like starting this year out. If you guys remember, I was going to start in the modified this year, but I decided that was way too much for me to handle, so we ended up picking up this street stock that I'm sitting in right now, and I absolutely love this car. Yeah, you guys haven't seen much of the modified here lately. There's some exciting news coming for that here soon. You'll see a lot more next year. But here's some clips of me, like beginning of the year. I'll show a clip of every race that I did. And I'll do like first race, second race, and then so just watch my progress. And thank you guys so much for supporting me on this channel. I appreciate it so much. Thank you to my sponsors again. I cannot thank you guys enough for this. So here's the videos. Thanks, guys.
Your child's probably traumatized. I didn't scream.
So as the year went on, I definitely improved a lot, but I'm hoping next year we're going to travel some. I'm still going to be racing Peoria Speedway, but whenever Peoria Speedway isn't racing, we're probably going to be traveling for the street stock. So I'm going to have a lot more videos next year of the dirt racing stuff. Wintertime, I'm hoping I can get this S10 put together so we can enjoy that. Whenever I'm not racing, I might try to go race that thing at Mid-State Dragway, or I'll take it to car shows and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you to my parents. I appreciate it so much for letting me have the opportunity to do this. You guys support me so much, and I'm so appreciative of that. I hope you guys know that. And then thank you again to my sponsors and everything. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe if you can. I'm trying to get 500 subscribers by the end of the year, so I'd appreciate that greatly. And thank you guys.